Just a quick video on how to apply the time-weighted rate of return. So first of all, just recall the formula. Formula for the interest rate is equal to the final amount minus the initial amount minus the sum of all cash flow. And then we divide this by the initial amount plus the sum of all cash flow multiplied by 1 minus the time that the cash flow happens. So let's just apply this formula directly to the situation that we have. So first of all, let us just notice that the final amount is 1,272, so that corresponds to B. And then we minus the initial amount we have at the start of the year, which is $1,000. And then we minus the sum of all cash flow. So for the cash flow that we experience, first we have an inflow of $500, so that's positive 500. And then we have withdrawals of 200 and 100. So withdrawal is a cash outflow, so we minus it. So that's going to be the numerator. In the denominator, again, we have the initial amount that we have at the start of the year, so 1,000, and then plus cash flow multiplied by 1 minus the time that they're experienced. So the first cash flow that we have, 500, happens at the end of the 4th month. So we're going to use a month as a unit of time. So I'm going to be considering the case from time 0 to time 1, and then there will be 12 months within this period. So the time at the end of the 4th month will be equal to time 4 over 12. So that's where this comes from. And then the other cash flow that happens, there's another withdrawal, that's minus 200. And then this happens at the 6th month, so it's 1 minus 6 over 12, so just 1/2. And then we also have one last cash flow of 100, and this happens at the end of the 8th month. So 1 minus 8 over 12. And then just apply this to your calculator, do your calculations, you'll find that this is equal to 72 divided by 1,200, and it's equal to 0.06. So this is how you apply the dollar-weighted rate of interest formula.